Ooh, look at these flowers.
Hi.
Who's coming out? Oh yeah, it's the wonderful Emily Porter of Emily's Things.
Okay, there's a beautiful flower up there. It's a beautiful red one, but I can't reach it. And what's that black thing up there?
Comment down below if you know what that is. That black thing.
Okay, this way, moving on. Look at this beautiful area. It's just so pretty. I think those are chili plants. They look more like chili, but they're flowers. Come on, guys.
Your chili plants died, Emily.
I know. Here's some more. Sorry, guys. Flowers. And there's a big one up there.
Amazing.
Okay, moving on this way. We see this tree here. But when we move this way, we see these yellow things.
Comment down below if you know what they are.
And
So,
there's a bee
we.
right there.
So,
Back up. Here's a bush.
cool. But what's that thing, Emily? Why is that thing down?
Uh-oh, one of my favorite bushes. But it doesn't matter. Anyways, it's already 50 years old.
Do you really have to burp?
Okay, here.
All the flowers are dry.
Yeah. Here's here.
Yep. What are these? Oh, that's her old fish pond.
So don't mind it. Moving on this way, we see more wonderful plants. This is actually a rose bush.
But all the roses keep dying.
Yeah.
Hey, those are sprinklers.
Yeah, but we can't use them now. There's a water restriction.
Oh, wow. Comment down below if you know what these flowers are.
Here is the really spicy stuff.
But they're not too spiky.
Yeah. I'm just going to pull one off here.
And
Yes.
demonstrate. It's very green.
Yeah. So let's just put it back in so the cockatoos don't notice. Okay.
Because the cockatoos just saw it.
Yeah.
Never mind about that.
And look how tall this tree is.
It's
Maybe
like a
on this
Christmas.
way.
You know you can decorate that tree like a Christmas.
I know.
Have you ever done that?
Yeah, we've done it before. Here.
Is where we find the clovers.
If you've seen the other videos, clovers, this is where they come from. But we just have to find the 4.
Or even a 5. I know they exist. If you found one that we didn't find, comment down below.
Yeah. We call this Lucky Street.
And this
But when
is
we move over this way,
the Lucky Earth Street.
but when we actually go back this way,
Oh yeah, there are bendies, just warning.
yeah, and back this way to here,
This is Lonely Street.
yeah. But
We
then
barely
we'll
go
move to
there.
Lonely Earth. Here's Lonely Earth.
I don't think that's lonelier. This is lonelier.
Yeah.
And this is Lonely S Street.
Yeah. But up here is the lonely S Street.
But there aren't any. Oh, they're there. Let's see. We haven't checked here before.
Yeah. So, guys, come here. And here's just some bindi plants.
Don't worry about that. Let's,
Hi, guys.
let's slowly move down.
Sorry about this car. That's actually just one of our uncles.
Okay.
Oh, here's a little lonely ant. Those birds just sound beautiful, right?
Yep.
Guys, Guys, come this way. Guys, you always come, but this time, look at this big gum tree.
Let's take a closer look.
So let's move closer. Look at how tall it is. And now let's go this way.
Hey, let's look at those daisies. What are they? They look like freedom. Hallelujah! We've gone there. Oh yeah, there are a lot of bendies and I just stepped on one. It's really painful.
And it's okay, because we're just going to come back this way. If you want to get close, turn that down. Because we only have about 5 minutes.
That equals 10 minutes. Oh darn it, I just stepped on another bendy.
Uh-oh, just come. We're not going there anymore. There's too many things.
Hey, a bottle brush tree.
This is the mini one though. So cute. Closer up. There's many. Oh, okay.
What happened?
Guys, come, someone littered. There.
Pick it up and throw it in the bin.
Yeah, let's go downstairs and throw it in the bin.
I'm pretty sure we have a bin on the front.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. We're still going to go downstairs.
Oh yeah! If you see a pink flower
That's
dug
buried.
in the dirt, comment down below. And if you find it. There's another tree, another bush actually, and another bush, and another bush. And this is just the dirt place.
This is about to be in the bin. Where it's supposed to be.
Look at these guys. Look at this. I wish you can just touch it. Oh, but it's covered in spider webs.
So let's go up here again. Because up here is just a beautiful breeze.
Just saying, these 3 flowers, they're fake.
Yeah.
These 3.
This way.
These trees, the cockatoos like cut down.
Yeah. So this way. Oh, we haven't tried this one yet.
Hey, I've seen those before. I'm pretty sure we saw them somewhere.
Yeah.
Let's touch it. Feels like a succulent. Comment down below if you think this is a coral. Obviously it's not, but what do you think it is?
I'm just so tired.
Anyways, we need to show them the banana tree.
Oh yeah, let's go.
If you guys are wondering, a banana tree? What do you mean? Okay,
That one there.
it's that one. That big banana tree. Let's go look at it in full size. Sorry with all the shaking. We're just running down.
And here's the beautiful beauty.
I'm pretty sure next year and 2 years, it'll grow some bananas. It's just twice our size.
It's about twice of me.
Hey, have you seen these bushes before?
Yeah,
They grow yellow leaves,
And they used to be green.
like
Let's
down
go
there.
this way.
They're colored like the sun.
To this area.
Hey, this is where we normally do our studio.
Well, if you guys saw in the other video, we threw everything around.
OMG, I found one.
Oh no, one of my favorite flowers.
Oh yeah, if you guys want to see our flowers, come. We found these on the ground, so don't worry.
And here's one here. Well, we
Okay,
have 2 of these now, though.
And now, comment down below, what do you think this is?
I know what it is.
Okay, what is it?
It's Daisy.
Do you think it's a daisy? Comment down below if she's right or wrong.
Comment down below if you know what this flower is.
We actually don't know. And we forgot what this is as well.
That was up there. We call it delicacy for now. back around here.
What do you think this bush is? Emily says it's full of bees.
Yeah, because I see bees flying around all the time.
I don't think there's any bees. Let's go up. Oh yeah, and here's the continuing. We could hang you up here.
Yeah,
But no.
because it's a line for clothes. But here, we don't really know what it is. We think it's lime or lemon.
Tree.
Yeah.
Because we see lemons falling out of it.
Well, I think lime because they're always green.
Let's check here. What is this? Wait, we get to see a closer look of the tree.
Guys, come this way. Up this way, my dad, he built a wooden frame and then we got cement and put it in here. And now it's all dry. We took the wooden stuff, the wood off, and then it looks like this now.
OMG, I'm carrying cement for the first time.
Yeah.
Feels like sand.
Yeah.
You can actually crush it.
And
I don't think so. Let's see.
Oh.
I didn't hit hard enough. Let's try again. Oh wow, they're very strong. They do.
Way.
Ooh. These grounds are full of cement
Yeah.
and bigger rocks.
And guys, I'm going to tell you this, but I call
Wow, it's
this rock stuck to the ground foxy because it looks like a fox head.
This smells like a heart.
Yeah, but from this way, it's like a fox head. The two eyes are here, the two ears, and the nose.
Oh yeah, and here is her garden.
Yeah, and come here, there's a beautiful sign.
Here, it says, "Welcome to my garden."
Oh yeah, and this is where they come from.
Oh. What are these?
There, you cut them off, and then you cut it in half, and then when you have a mozzie, you can just spread it on the mozzie bite.
Or you can make it as hair gels.
And this is actually a tomato bush. We grow tomatoes. And here, there are more tomatoes.
Are you sure they look like mints?
Yeah, I think they're meant to up. But this way, we have some more flowers.
I'm pretty sure they're the same.
Yeah. Here is some more from the bathtub there.
Wait, that's a bathtub?
Yeah, that used to be in our bathroom, but then it kept falling off. So, yeah, our bathroom used to be flooded. That's why we had to use downstairs. And then we made the upstairs bathroom renovated, and then we added a bathtub.
Wow.
So guys, I think that's all for now. See you guys next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.